Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you will be in the know. Also for me, in that little area that's right underneath the video, if you guys can give me that thumbs up, it's telling YouTube that you're enjoying my content. You will see the number increase and it will turn blue. That does help me on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me, because what it does is YouTube looks at that and then they take my videos and put them in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that thumbs up. It means a lot. All right. Today, I'm really excited to share this with you. I got another box from Sephora, and while this free ship is going on during this quarantine time, I have been enjoying getting items from Sephora because of that free ship. So I was on there and I purchased something from Sephora that is coming, or it might have already been posted, I don't know. But this box came the following day, so I don't know which video is going to go up first. But this one really surprised me because it was something that was sitting in my, you know how you shop a little bit on Sephora and you leave things in your cart and then you wait for it to go on sale, or just, that's what I do. So it was sitting in my cart and it's been waiting there because it was a product line, the brand called McGrath, that I have never treated myself for the palettes, let alone anything from that line, because it is a very expensive line. But everyone that I watch that shows something from McGrath, they talk so highly about it that I just wanted to have the opportunity to try the product. So right now in the boxes, we're getting some, Natasha Denona's, and I've received some singles. I don't even remember from which box, and I'm enjoying it. And now at least I know what the Natasha Denona products are all about. But I never known that about the McGrath. So all of a sudden there were these little eyeshadow palettes that were showed up, and they showed up in the sales section. And I said, you know what? There were two of them, and I decided I'm just going to choose one. And because of the free ship code that we have with Sephora right now, I was able to buy something from McGrath for $14. And I said, I'm going to do it so that I can try it out. And then on top of that, I got a couple of sample cards for some foundations that have showed up recently on Ipsy. And I didn't know which color I would be, so I decided I would use it for that. So I'm happy about this purchase. I'm a little overwhelmed and a little ecstatic. I did some information that I pulled off of the website to reach you guys so we can learn about this together. But I opened up the box, and like I said, it came in this box for this one item and the two cards. And the item came in this beautiful package with all of these fancy things inside that I don't understand, but it looks beautiful. But I put a piece of tape on it because, knowing me, I would turn this the wrong way and I'd be picking these up forever. So this is what the packaging was that this came in. The actual package of the product, when I saw other people do this, no one talked about it, but it is just a classic plastic container, like really no dollars spent here at all. It almost looks like if you were going to create a line, that this is the outside packaging that they would do to send you the products for you to be able to test the products inside. But this is what I got, and this is from McGrath, but at least I'll be able to try the formula and swatch for you guys the samples. But I want to read you a little bit about this, because supposedly this in this packaging was selling for $28, and now it's on sale at Sephora for $14. It does come, I took the one that was the colors that I thought were more neutral. They did have a second one. This one I think is called Sublime, and the other one is called Subversive. And that one had a lot of turquoise, blues, burgundies, golds, and a sparkly purple and a crimson fire. The shades that are in here, they're saying, are called Sinful, which is a platinum gold metallic. They have a deep brown matte with gold sparkle. They have Gold Nectar, which is a gleaming gold bronzing metallic. Corruption for a fiery bronze duochrome. And Sextrovert, which is a brilliant bronze metallic. But they're saying that this one, like I said, this is called her Mini Eye Ecstasy Eyeshadow Palette. I did pay $14 for this. They're saying it is a curated collection of 5 luxe shades inspired by Pat McGrath's Backstage Kit in sleek, compact, which is lightweight, and an on-the-go palette. They're saying her ingredients are a rice bran extract, which provides antioxidant properties that soothes the skin, and a honey extract, which provides antioxidant properties that soothes the skin and supports a look of radiance. They're saying that it's free of sulfates and all of that on here. And then they're saying there's less than 1% synthetic fragrance. And then they're saying what else you need to know is that these are hybrids. They're a cream-infused powder formulation that will release infinity smooth and extremely blendable pigments for seamless color transitions and unprecedented buildability. And your eyes will be uninhibited color that structures, design, and defines with flashes of pearl and dazzling effects. And like I said, this is the one that's called Sublime. And the packaging on the back here looks like a sticker that tells you, you know, what each color is by the number. And then inside also there was this little black brochure that inside here it simply says Pat McGrath on the outside. It says Eye Ecstasy and Sublime. And then inside here in, you know, that typewriter type of writing, it simply says that this is the lavish your eyes with this portable palette of gleaming metallic shades. Unlock Pat McGrath's signature approach to mesmerizing, transfixing, beauty-achieving single swipe saturation at the touch of a finger. Use with caution because you will elevate your artistic to create scintillating looks. Glide your lids in a single shade or mix and layer to create the multiple dimensional effects. And then it's saying she has 25 years of groundbreaking artistry with obsession, inspiration, and addiction. She has 87 makeup trunks using Backstage at Fashion Week, and she created the look for 3,300 runway shows and 129,000 models with her technique, her technology, and her truth. The makeup master behind the 401 magazine covers, and we are all talking about Pat McGrath. Pretty amazing. So that's what this is here. I showed you all the packaging, and now let's do some swatches. So I cannot wait to get my fingers into this. So we're gonna do the top 3, which look like shimmers. They're really, really beautiful. I think this will be what I keep on my countertop to, to do the pop of colors. You know, I was hoping in the back of my head as like an eyeshadow's an eyeshadow, but we'll see when, you know, I wear them and if they last all day on the eyes with and without primer and all those things that we do. But it's nice to have something in your arsenal from some of the top. I cannot believe her pedigree is unbelievable. And that's the whole palette there, which I think is doable, wearable all the time. So that's why I chose this one. The other one was really beautiful, and to me, if you're into all the colors and you want to play, getting a second one, you're getting like a buy one, get one because they're $28 normally and they're half price. So for me, I have so many eyeshadows that to go out and buy, you know, it was solely to try and have a Pat McGrath in my arsenal so that I can play and then, you know, try her formula. So I wanted to share that with you guys. As always, when I get a good deal, and if this is something that's always been in your cart but you never, because her products are so expensive that they're now sitting in Sephora at a really heavily 50% off discount. If you're going to try, to me, now's the time to try. The sample cards that I got, one is from Tom Ford, and these show up. You just have to remember to do it because it's very small, the print. When you're in your checkout area, it shows up in the top. and it says you're allowed to choose 2 samples. They're usually perfume samples in there. I didn't see any. There were just a lot of these foundation cards. So this one I chose was from Tom Ford. It is his Traceless Soft Matte Foundation, and it looks like it has, like, you know, the fair, light, medium, and dark. And then the other one, which is the one that I really wanted to try, was from this brand called from Beauty Blender. It's the one that's in Bounce. All the shades are in the back here, but they do give you the samples to try here. And this showed up for a brief minute when I did my filming, and then when I went back in on Ipsy, because I wanted to do a little more research on the color, those options weren't there anymore. So either everybody grabbed every single color, or those options weren't supposed to be in my, you know, add-on section. I don't know, but they disappeared when I went in after I filmed and showed you guys. It wasn't there for me, and this was an $18 foundation on the Ipsy site. So they have the 210, 325, 360, and 430, and I figured I'll play with these a little bit so I can know pretty much what my skin tone is, and now I'll be able to, hopefully, if it shows up again, if I want to choose a color, I'll have more of an idea of what this foundation's all about, because the few people that did grab it and wrote to me in the comments that they did, they say they're enjoying it. So it is definitely sitting on my wants list. So as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you. But most importantly, during this time, I want everybody to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.